Question 21. Lithium and potassium are metals in group 1 of the periodic table. Lithium has a melting point of 181 degrees C and a density of 0.53 grams per cubic centimeter, which all describes the melting point and density of potassium. Melting point in degrees C. Potassium is below this lithium in the group. They are all in group 1. The potassium has many more electrons, and even its mass number is bigger. Okay, I mean not the mass number or relative atomic mass is actually bigger than that of lithium. It has more protons compared to that of lithium, so its density has to be greater. So I have to look here and here. Okay, and then the melting point. So is the melting point of lithium greater or less than that of lithium? The melting point of lithium is going to be greater than that of potassium. Melting point of potassium therefore has to be less than. So it has to be here. Why is it less than? When you look at melting point, we look at the structure and bonding. All of these ones are metals. Okay, they are metals and they all release one electron, so they have the metallic structure. There is this pattern here. They are in layers. Okay, and then there are these electrons. They all produce 1 mole of delocalized electrons. For metals, the more electrons they produce to this electron cloud in the metallic structure, the stronger the bonding. Okay, but now this one is going to be less than that of lithium because we have potassium is going to have it has a bigger radius because potassium is 19, right? It is in position 19. That is 2 to 8 to 1. So this electron here in the outermost, you can see that, remember, it is going to, the metallic bond here is the attraction between the delocalized electron and the positively charged atoms, the positively charged ions here. But now the attraction is due to the nucleus here, which has gotten the positive protons, the positively charged protons. But now you can see that the distance here is bigger, okay, compared to this one for lithium, which is very small. Okay, so there is a very strong attraction between the electron and the nucleus in lithium compared to this one for potassium. Okay, so here you expect the melting point to be bigger because of the stronger attraction compared to this one here. So that's why the melting point of potassium is less than that of lithium. Question 22. Which statements about transition elements are correct? They have a low density. That is wrong. They have a high density compared to actually like group 1 elements. They form ions with variable oxidation numbers. Yes, we can have copper 2, we have copper 1, iron 2, we have iron 3, we have manganese. It has very many, so variable oxidation numbers, that is correct. They have high melting point, that one is correct, because these are metals. Okay, they form only colorless compounds. No, these ones form what we call colored compounds. So our answer has to be the 2 and 3, which is C here.